Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you this very easy everyday go-to sort of a makeup look. If you are someone who don't like wearing nude makeup every single day and you want a little hint of color, then this video is for you. Starting off with a good hydrating moisturizer, and remember, no matter what skin type you have, you do definitely need a moisturizer, especially during the summer season. Another most important thing is a sunscreen. You need it for your face as well as for your body. For face, I have this Derma Hyaluronic sunscreen stick with SPF of 60 and PA4+. It comes with a twist-up packaging that makes your application super easy, convenient and mess-free. All you have to do is open the lid, turn the dial at the bottom and glide it on your face. It's power-packed with hyaluronic acid and ceramides that keeps your skin smooth and absorbs excess oil too. The most amazing part is you can apply it even over your makeup, and reapplication is super easy. For my body, I use this Derma 1% Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel with SPF of 50 and PA4+. I like it because of its lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy texture, and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It protects your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays, as well as it gives you blue light protection. It's fragrance-free, doesn't clog your pores and doesn't leave any white cast. Every time you buy from them, Derma will link your order to a child that they help educating along with Bhumi. They have pledged to help 10,000 plus students across the year. And I do have a coupon code with them. If you use that on their website, you will get extra 20% off. Moving on to the makeup, I'm gonna quickly fill in the gaps of my brows with this brow pencil. Brows are something I never skip because this is one of my prominent features, and just filling in your brows makes hell of a difference. Next, I'm gonna take this concealer and I'm gonna take a little bit of it just to hide my acne scars. In summer, I don't like applying foundation or concealer all over my face. It just makes me feel really uncomfortable. So I like doing spot correction. For my base today, I'll be using this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder form. Now, what makes it really different than other compact powders I use, because it's full coverage, it's weight proof, it's heat proof, it's waterproof. It gives me a clean matte finish. It stays for a really long time. It feels really lightweight and doesn't look heavy or greasy on the skin. To add some color to my cheeks so that my face doesn't look flat matte, I'm gonna use this cream blush. First, I'm gonna warm it up between my fingers and then I'm gonna apply it with the help of my finger. And whatever residue is left, I'm just gonna apply it a little bit on my eyelid to add some color to my eyes. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara, and I always use waterproof mascaras because they are not gonna smudge or budge. To complete the entire look, I'm gonna be using this beautiful lipstick from Nykaa. This is suitable for all Indian skin tone. First, I'm using the applicator to apply it, and then I'm gonna blot it out with the help of my finger just to get a clean matte finish. And lastly, I'm gonna use this beautiful blush from Colorbar. It's so pigmented and it looks so pretty on your cheeks. And also, this is gonna set the cream blush that I have underneath. And yep, that's it. That's the completed makeup look. It's so easy to recreate and perfect for this summer season. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful, and don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to know that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.